Why do sometimes hashtags appear in our Excel and how to fix it? Hashtags indicate that the number is too long for the cell. Take a look. If I highlight this cell B1, I see the number is really long. One way of fixing that is to simply make the whole column wider. Now the numbers show correctly and the hashtag disappear. If I make it narrow again, we got back the hashtag. So hashtags simply tell us it's not enough space to show the actual number. Other thing we can do is to reduce the font size in that cell. If let's say you cannot really move it around, you can try making the font so small that we can display that. I go all the way to 8. We could override it with the keyboard to like 4 and take a look. Even if it's so tiny, it's not a hashtag, it's an actual number now. Alright, and in the first one, it's not a hashtag, but it's a similar problem. We got a text that is not showing correctly. We can make it wider, that's the easiest solution, or we can use the text warping methods that will move the rest of the text to new line, or simply shrink the text to fit. So now the size of the font will adjust automatically depending on the size of the cell. So that's it. If you see the hashtags, first thing to do is try to make this column wider to show the actual number in it. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.